Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn the colors of the English language. Colors are an essential part of our daily lives, and knowing them in English can help you describe things better. By the end of this video, you will be able to recognize and name some of the most common colors in English. Colors. Let's start with the color red, which is a primary color and is represented by the word red. It's a warm color that symbolizes love, passion, and energy. Next, we have the color yellow. Another primary color, which is represented by the word yellow. It's a bright and sunny color that symbolizes happiness and positivity. The third primary color is blue, which is represented by the word blue. It's a cool color that symbolizes calmness, trust, and intelligence. The fourth primary color is green, which is represented by the word green. It's a natural and refreshing color that symbolizes growth and harmony. Moving on, we have the color orange, which is represented by the word orange. It's a warm and vibrant color that symbolizes enthusiasm and creativity. The color purple is represented by the word purple. It's a rich and royal color that symbolizes luxury and elegance. The color pink is represented by the word pink. It's a soft and delicate color that symbolizes femininity and sweetness. The color brown is represented by the word brown. It's a warm and earthy color that symbolizes stability and reliability. Color black, which is represented by the word black. It's a powerful and mysterious color that symbolizes sophistication and elegance. The color white is represented by the word white. It's a pure and clean color that symbolizes innocence and simplicity. Color gray. Gray. Color golden. Golden. Color silver. Silver. Color tan. Tan. Color blonde. Blonde. Color sky blue. Sky blue. Please repeat with me. Red. Yellow. Blue. Green. Orange. Purple. Pink. Brown. Black. White. Gray. Golden. Silver. Tan. Blonde. Sky blue. Congratulations! You have learned some of the most common colors in the English language. Make sure to practice them by using them in sentences and describing objects in English. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.